Alright, fellas, hey, it's Brother Brian here. Hope everybody's doing good. Thanks for stopping by, man. Hey, this is the, look at here, man. Have you guys seen these on the internet before? I bought a set, and I want to try them out. I've never tried them. Audiophile cables. And, tube, they came in this bag. I ordered them. Tuneful cables. I ordered 20 feet, and I'm gonna hook them up to this. I just got I'm out in the garage, so I don't have nothing fancy out here. I got this old 1960 something Kenwood that I love the way it sounds. Yeah, man, I love it. It's got the we got Brother Jack McDuff playing, which I like that old stuff. But I've got some cheap El Cheapo cables here. Okay, these are some old silver cables that are, they've seen better days. But anyway, I've got them hooked up to that right now with these El Cheapo speakers. These little AWA EX-NAV-H8. I probably picked those up at Goodwill. And I just keep them in the garage. They work good. They don't sound bad. So I got those hooked up, and got the record playing over here. But here's the information. I'll just kind of go over this with you. They're Belden 9497 speaker cables. AWG 16, 19 by 29 stranding, high conductivity, TC tinned copper. Okay, and I bought them on eBay. I got them from this guy, High-End Audio Auctions. This guy sells all kinds of like Macintosh and stuff, and he's got a store up, I guess, up in New York, and you know, he says that he uses these cables solely in his store. Okay, then this is the auction. This is what it says on eBay. Belden 9497 speaker cables, 20-foot tube. Now, he says to use them with tubes. I didn't feel like dragging my tube gear out here tonight. It's just too cold in the garage, so I was like, I'm not doing it. Tube, Alltech, Western Electric, Shindu, Audiophile. So, I just bought the, just the cable. I'm going to just splice it, and I'm going to listen to this for a few minutes. Then I'm going to splice this, hook it up, and I'm going to listen to it just to see. Maybe this is a poor example. I should probably have this in the house on the little Maggie tube in the living room, but I want to smoke a cigar, so I'm going to do it out here tonight. So let me get this switched around, and we'll just see. I know, hey, if you guys are into stereo stuff, I'm sure you guys have seen this before. It's all over the place. You know, everybody talks about it. I think it was $20. Okay, it was $20 for 20 feet. It's $1 a foot, and it was $5 for shipping. I like the way that it looks. Okay, I like the way that it looks. It's just copper wire. I love how it's stranded together. You know, to me, I don't know what it sounds like, but even if it doesn't sound better than what I have, I like the way that it looks. So to me, it's worth $20 because I get, you know, two 10-foot speaker cables for $20. To me, that's not a bad deal. But the real thing is it gonna change? Is it audiophile? Is it gonna change and be better? We'll see. You know, and I'm one of the guys, I do believe that speaker cables do make a difference. Okay, they do make a difference. There's variations, there's reasons, you know, I'm not going to get into all that, but let's just see what this is all about, okay? That's why we're here. Let's see what this Belden 9497 is about. Let me turn this off, and I'll jump back on here when I get it hooked up. All right, man, I gotta show you guys this. I just spliced it, man. I'm thinking copper, but look at this. It's silver. It's silver. Alright, man. Silver. This doesn't really focus really well. It's stranded silver. You really can't tell much. My phone sucks, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Alright, off we go. Alright, got it all hooked up. There's the wire. I got it hooked up. Now, this is the old wire. I left one hooked up with the old wire. This is the new Belden 94, what did I say it was? A Belden 94, 97 wire. Yeah, right here. Let me go get my paper. Yeah, this is the Belden 94, 97 speaker cable. It's a nice looking cable. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. It's nice and heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's cheap. I paid 20 bucks for it, okay? Now, I already played around with it, okay? I'll just tell you right now. I played around with it. I can hear a difference. I can hear a difference. I can go, if I switch it, I'm going to see. I don't know if you'll be able to hear on this cheap phone, but let me turn it on here. I'm going to jump it back and forth. I'm going to turn it up. I can hear a difference. There's more depth. There's more depth on the cables. There's more clarity. There's more separation. Now, these are really cheap cables. Now, these are really small, thin, cheap cables, but you should be able to, I want you guys to understand, you should be able to hear a difference. They shouldn't sound the same, is what I'm saying here. They should not sound the same. And they don't. So I'm really excited. I'm going to order another set. For the price, 20 bucks, you get, I'm going to have two 10-foot cables. I'm going to order another set. Listen at the treble. It's like the tweeter almost disappears on that one. I could really hear a difference. I mean, it's surprising. I'm not lying to you. I'm not bullshitting you. I don't get no money. But I tell you what, they do sound better. They do sound better. So I'll do another test in the house on a tube amp. I'm really excited. They're silver. It said tin copper, but I guess I don't understand what tin copper is. They're silver cables. So, all right. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Until the next one, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good week.